Handa ka na? Ay, ang ganda naman ni Mabi.
Hindi mo madalain.
Parang hindi ikaw yan. Ang dami pa ng tao. Let's do this, babe. Let's do this. Kanang kabahan.
Ikaw yung kinakabahan.
So now, today, in the presence of God and our witnesses, I stand before you. Sobrang saya. Pero kinakabahan. For the gift of your love.
Today, your heart is full. It is an answered prayer. It is a dream come true. It is way beyond what you expected. Dahil gano'n naman talaga si Lord. Pag tumupad siya ng pangako, pag sumagot siya ng panalangin, higit na matalino at higit na mataas kaysa dun sa ating mga ipinanalangin at ipinangarap.
Ngayon ko lang nakita, umiyak ako. Kasama naman natin si Mama. Ayan siya. Pinagdasal ko si Joseph and thanks God kasi binigay niya. And he's an answered prayer.
Naway maging masaya ka sa regalo ko. Buksan na yan. Buksan na yan. Kahit na ito'y karibal ka sa puso ko. Oh my God.
Bobby, Bibi, I really don't know what to give you. Nasa iyo na ata lahat. Gusto mo eh. Ito na lang naisip kong kailangan mo na will last a lifetime. Tanggapin mo ang love insurance na ito since dito din tayo madalas nagkakausap and bonding.
Stephanie, si Joseph ay hindi isang pangarap na nakamit mo. You are both God's given promise to one another.
Sunshine, you're my best times, you're my.
Nung nawala yung mother ko, really depressed po talaga ako. And wala akong kasama din, pandemic camp. Nakilala ko si Joseph, and si Joseph lang yung nakasama ko na nagpalakas ng loob sa akin and never leave me. And siya din yung nagpakilala sa akin kay Lord na kailangan we should more on focus on to the Lord para malagpasan yung challenges and yung hirap ng mawalan ng pera.
Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my
being there kasi kasama mo na si Lord.
Where you go, I will go. And where you stay, I will stay.
All that I have, I do.
Your people will be my people.
I will.
And your God will be my God.
In the sacred covenant of marriage,
I promise you.
binibigay ko ang buong puso ko sa'yo, ang pagmamahal ko
Back
forevermore.
and every
With
day.
God as our witness, I vow to be your wife, your partner, and your
Every
best
breath
friend.
you take. I choose you.
I've never quit loving you and never will. Grace will be the foundation of our relationship. And God will be the center of our marriage.
In every moment, I will strive to be your greatest cheerleader. Go lang. Kaya natin.
Minsan kayong pinag-isa ng Diyos, wala nang pwedeng maghiwalay sa inyo. Kahit ano pang batas ang gawin ng tao, ang batas ng Diyos ang nagsasabi, kamatayan lang ang pwedeng magpalaya sa inyo.
Around us here. Fall. It's easy to see from down here. Found my swinging in the war is won.
Silosa siya kasi daw mahilig ako mag-games. Ayan, oh, ayan. Kung makikita ni sir yung phone ko, siya yung overflow.
Hindi siya umiyak. Ewan ko lang. Ewan ko, surprise ko pag umiyak siya mamaya. Ewan ko lang.
Pinapangako ko na I will nurture and cherish our relationship to have a home where love and grace abound, just as Christ loved us.
I believe in God. That's why I believe in you. Kaya natin. I know we can. We can make it. We can do it. We can fulfill our mission and task in this lifetime together.
Pinagpala ang may asawa dahil ang sabi po ng Biblia, tumatanggap ng pabor mula sa Diyos ang lalaking nakapag-asawa.